Hi and welcome to another Type With Me. In today's video I want to talk about build a second brain with Obsidian plus Google Antigravity. So your second brain, you capture, you organize, you connect and understand, and you let it grow. First of all, you think, decide and reflect. Your brain is for thinking, not storing. So you have a lot of ideas, you have a lot of notes, you have a lot of things to interact with. But yeah, you forgot certain things, right? So your external memory capture ideas, organize knowledge and connect everything. And then you have the AI layer and the gravity. You can ask questions, you can find patterns, you can generate insights, your thinking partner. And so the AI feeds back into the nodes and they don't sit there anymore, they work for you. So they feed back to you, right? And so you have less mental overload, get things out of your head. You find insights faster, search less, understand more. You connect ideas automatically, see patterns you won't see, and you have better self-awareness, reflect deeper, grow constantly. This is not a note-taking app, it's a thinking system. It's really, really a big game changer for me. So first of all, you download Obsidian, and then you'll see that you'll have this, right? A way to create your templates and these kind of things. One of the things that I did, but of course I asked Antigravity to do this, is to set a certain structure. So what I want to do is I want to talk a little bit about work. If I have things in my mind that I want to share it with Obsidian and my second brain about work. I have some daily notes, and for these daily notes it's important to reflect on my day. I think here I have a daily note template. And then again, with your AI, you can create this daily note template. He can build up these daily notes and you can very easily work with it then, right? So if we now go to Antigravity, I am going to start my daily reflection by asking me questions. Normally, I hope okay, what went well today? What were your big wins, big or small? So I went to Mock Peron and I did some voluntary voluntary work and that I enjoyed surfing my community. So, and now the second one. What are you grateful for today? It could be a feeling, a person, a conversation. I had a great conversation with a girl at the bar of Mock Peron. What was challenging today, or what could be improved? Was there any friction, or is there something you'd like to do differently tomorrow? I would less ruminate about stuff I can't immediately do something about. You see your daily note, and then he created that note. So, and what is great now is when we go to Obsidian again, you will see now that I have my daily notes. And then here, if I open this one, right, you see here the daily reflection, daily log, brain dump. But here you have the reflection of the day, which is the most important part of this template that has been filled out, right? And this is how you can go back and forward with your AI. It can help you. You can then store things into Obsidian. Then later on, if you want to have summary of your daily reflections of the whole week, you can do so, and you have some kind of a weekly reflection that you can build upon and see, okay, what are my biggest wins, and can help you to think through certain things throughout the week. So I think this is really a powerful thing. And so the ID index is also something that I'm gonna show you guys. And so one of the things that is also very powerful is that you can say, okay, I also want to do, I would like to have a template for features I am thinking about in my application. And then he is creating a walkthrough and a certain plan. And you see here that he created certain things. So now let's brainstorm about a feature for close by .1 and grill me on that. The feature should be something that the end user can use to get a way to store his MIDI CC his MIDI CC settings to a track. Now let's see how Antigravity is working with that. And so here is this stored in a local database, like or are these served as raw? And that's the only thing, of course, you're building. For example, I'm building here a close by one, but it doesn't have any context of this project that I can use right here. So that's still something that I need to figure out. So maybe, I'm not sure, but maybe I'm gonna see if I can first here grill a little bit upon what close by one is. Then I'm gonna give that context towards my second brain, and then I can do more on it. Because for now, I think this is a little bit of a shortcome. I think still you need to have the complete context stored within your second brain Obsidian, and then you can do more with it. And that's not the case right now. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. I hope you learned something from it. I hope you are inspired to really start using your second brain, because I think this is also a very creative thing to do, and I really believe in the fact that you can do things with a second brain. So please start using it, and I hope to see you in the next one.